this video, we are going to be looking at how to install StoreMart SaaS script, and I will be using code list for this testing purposes. So let me go straight to my codelist.cc, enter. Then next I click on my search button and search for this script I'm looking for, StoreMart. Here is it. Then enter. So here is it. I click on this. After that, I scroll down to select any of the link for downloading. So let me select this link. I copy it, open a new tab, paste it there, then enter. That's it. I click on download, but I have already downloaded this script, so I don't need to download again. Let me go straight to my computer. So here is the downloaded script. Then I extract. This is the extracted file. I open it. So this is the file I'm sending to my cPanel because I need to send a zip file. So this is it. Let me go straight to my cPanel. So here is my cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Then from there, I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purposes. So here is my subdomain. As you can see, I've already uploaded the script. StoreMart, I've already uploaded it. So next, I'm going to extract it. I right click to extract files. Then I close. Now I open this. I select all and then move them to the root folder. Right click to move to the root folder. Move files. Then next I up one level. After that, I have successfully uploaded it to my cPanel. Next I go to my database to create. I want to create my database. So here is it. I click on it. So next we name my database as test2. Then I click on create database. I click on go back. Then next I code the user. Move down to code the user. Test2 user. Let me name it as test2 user. Sorry, test2 user. Then create database. I click on go back. I have created my database and the user. Next, I'm going to add the user to the database. Test2. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Test2 user. Database I just created. Test2. Then add. I will give all privileges. Then scroll down to make changes. Then next I click on go back. So I have uploaded my script into my cPanel. I have created my database. Next I go to my site, my subdomain. Let's see. Okay, enter. Check requirements. Okay. Check permission. configure environment, form wizard setup, app name, that's StoreMart. Okay, I'm good to go. Next, I'm going to put my database name is test2. Database name is test2. Test2. Username test2 user. Then I click on install. So I have successfully installed it. I should not forget admin to enter to log in. I'm going to use my admin@gmail.com, my password. Okay, let me slow down. Okay, next let me go to get started, so I will be able to log in. Then here, admin@gmail.com, and I put my password. So here is my dashboard. I can go to this my menu, side menu. I can go to anywhere I want from this place. So thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please use link in description to buy me coffee, and also don't forget to use link in description to hire me to help you install the script. Thank you.